Hello, I have a really good Zara haul today. You guys, it's so colorful. Okay, this first look is everything. These pants are just going to be a pair of pants that I wear on repeat. They have pockets, they're extremely flowy. Style them with this tube top that's actually a bodysuit. I love the material of it, you guys. I was shocked by it because I think it was under 30. Then I grabbed these bangles. I'm gonna be wearing these non-stop earrings. I love those. Style them with one of my favorite Zara bags for summer. This outfit is such a cute and easy summer date night look. I have on this tube top white skirt that has this little detail right here. Styled it with some fun earrings, bangles, my favorite little Zara bag, and there you have it. Perfect little summer date night look, perfect for hot nights. I love this. Okay, this set is going to sell out, you guys. It is so stunning. It's like a satiny feel to it. It's a crop little blazer with lace detailing and then a matching skirt that has a little slit right here. A little heel, also from Zara, and wow, this is such a fun look. You guys, I think this outfit is so cute. How perfect for like a date night or to wear on vacation. I'm definitely gonna pack this on our next trip. Top is incredible, 10 out of 10. I am wearing a medium and it's a little bit cropped. Just keep that in mind. You probably wanna do something high-waisted. Sleeves are kind of see-through, but then the top is opaque. Has a little tie right here. You could wear that open or closed. Adorable skirt, which just is incredible. This little detail right here is super cute. Is a skirt, so it's shorts in the back. Very easy to steam and wear. And then these cute little kitten-heeled sandals. Did a gold bag and bangle just to kind of pull it all together. I am obsessed. 10 out of 10 look. This order just keeps getting better. This dress, are we kidding? How perfect for vacation. Crochet style dress. So adorable on. It has thick straps. So cute for vacation. Little kitten heel. Styled it with this really fun bag. That is also Zara. Love the shell details on that. So cute. You also could do it with just like a little flip flop for a more casual look. Maybe even belt it if you needed to. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am obsessed. I am obsessed with this look. These are pants. They are incredible. They are so flowy. They feel like a skirt. They have a really pretty sheen to them and like a little pleat. And then I styled them with just a little kitten heel, this gold bag and bangle, and then this really cute black halter top that is ribbed. Very affordable, so cute, perfect for like a night out. Okay, and this last look I thought would be so cute for like a little date night look. It's a satin lace tank with satin lace shorts. And I just added a little jacket over top. You could do any color jacket, honestly, because it's a black set. A little kitten heel, cute little bag, and this is just such a fun and easy date night look. It's also super comfortable. The shorts aren't too short. It's flowy, it's stretchy. Wrap on my most recent Zara haul. Let me know if you want links to anything.